Mga angkol, price reveal tayo sa ganitong setup kung magkano yung gagastusin mga kaangkol sa gustong mag DIY. So start tayo sa receiver na dual type, pwede pang wood stock. Tatanggalin lang tong kanyang tactical trigger. Nagkakalaga ng yung features mo na side lever, right handed or left handed with timbal. Stainless ang kanyang internal, full CNC made with safety lock. Adjustable ang kanyang power, adjustable trigger pull, pwedeng tikasan, pwedeng lambutan. Natatanggal ang kanyang valve assembly para easy maintenance. Ano pa? Yan, price 25,000. Kung pang wood stock lang 19,000. So anyo lang ito, 25,000. Grip 600, bobber tube nasa 550, GL core makapal, buttstock with check riser, na-adjust to 1,400, under railings 2,800, bipod 1,200, regulator black disc Taiwan 1,400, Alsafe carbon fiber tank makapal with 4,500, test pressure 7,100, barrel 24 inches pang competition 6,500, silencer dual type salpak or threaded 1,800, scope ito mahal 14,500. So total nyo lang, kayo na pala mag total. So that's it mga kangkol, bye bye.